Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I like to talk about making your money work for you, ways to create passive income sources, making money on your phone, and some helpful tips. Now if you like those topics, do me a big favor, smash that like button, click subscribe, and the bell notification so you get notified every time I make videos in the future. Today's video is the 2-month review on Outlet Finance. Well, a little early, but they put out some big information today that I needed to get out to you. Yes, you read it in the title. 10.94% interest APY on your money right now. Not a typo, 10.94%. Now, if you don't know what Outlet Finance is, the goal of Outlet is to let you reap the rewards of the cryptocurrency market and the high yields that are taking place there right now without having to do all the back-end work. When you deposit funds into Outlet Finance, they get transferred into USDC coin, which is a stable coin tied to the dollar. And those funds get lent out into alternative money markets, wherever they can get the highest yield for your money throughout the partners they work with. Now, to be clear, Outlet is not a bank. It is not covered under FDIC insurance. Some people are not comfortable with that. Now, for a full description on Outlet Finance and how to use the app, check out my last video. It's linked in the description below. Now, just a heads up, it was my first video on YouTube. It's pretty rough, but the content is good, so bear with me. So let's open up the app really quick, just so you see what it looks like and where to find some of these new features. So let's check out the app. Right underneath the balance, you see your interest rate went up to 10.94% APY. That is amazing. You are not going to get that in any traditional financing system. Now, I'm not going to run you through the entire app, as my last video on Outlet Finance, which will be linked in the description below, shows you how to navigate through the app and all the ins and outs of it. I just wanted to open it up so you have an idea of what it looks like, and to show you that total earnings calculator, as you can watch your interest grow if you choose to do so. Now, if you click the intercom, they do now have commonly asked questions that you can click on so that you're not waiting for them to respond. Like, why is my state not supported? Due to regulatory restrictions, we currently do not operate in all U.S. states. These states include the following. If you do reside in one of these states, please check back soon. We are planning on rolling out support to residents in the future. That's just one, for example. As Outlet is growing, they do not have as much time as they used to talk to everyone on the phone. So this makes it easier on them and easier on you to get answers quicker. Now, in the bottom right corner, when you click there, this is where you will see your transfers. You can start reoccurring deposits. So if you wanted to make a deposit daily, weekly, monthly, that's where you go for this, as well as their help number, frequently asked questions again, and their email. So I just wanted you to view the app really quick so you have an idea of what it looks like when you're opening an account. And like I said, if you do want to see the full breakdown of the app and how to navigate through, check out my video. It'll be linked below. Pretty simple, right? One of the easiest apps I've ever worked with. So if you watch some other YouTube videos on Outlet Finance, some of those videos tell you they use DAI stablecoin when you move your money to Outlet. That is incorrect. They use USDC stablecoin. There is a difference. So what have Outlet improved? Well, number one, that interest rate. Now, this interest rate will go up and down depending on the yield in the alternative money markets. They also offer recurring deposits. So you can set this up so your funds are automatically deposited daily, weekly, monthly, whatever works for you. A couple other improvements, their voicemail improved as well as their intercom. As you saw in the app, they do now have commonly asked questions, which just saves you and them time. Now, if those questions aren't answered, you can still contact them direct, either through phone or email. They also now have a video on how to do a wire transfer. I know a lot of people don't do wire transfers every day, so this is a big help for people that do want to move over large sums of money. Now, on wires over $10,000, they will pick up your wire fee. Also, their app has improved a lot. If you watched my first video, I stated that they did have some glitches and issues with the app working properly. Recently, the app's been running very smooth. Another plus, it used to take 5 business days to put money in or take money out of Outlet. Now, it's only 1 to 2 business days, which was a huge complaint that they took care of. Also, in their recent transactions in the app, they used to only show your deposits and withdrawals, and your interest would just be added to the total balance. Now there's a breakdown of your interest as well as any other deposits that are made, like a wire transfer reimbursement, for example. This isn't new, but I wanted to throw it in. Your interest is paid every Monday, so it kind of makes Mondays fun again. Nothing like Mondays being a payday too. So those are some of the new features that have been added to the app. If you open an account with my referral link and deposit $100 or more, we'll both get $5 extra on top of that great interest rate. Just a little extra bonus. And after you open an account, if you refer Outlet to your friends, that works for you too. So when you open an Outlet account, you do have to go through KYC, which is Know Your Customer. This is just assuring that you are who you say you are when you're putting money in or taking money out. It also allows them to take US customers, as Outlet is only US based right now. Now there are still some states that Outlet cannot accept customers from. As you're used to with a regular bank, at the end of the year, you will get a 1099 for any interest that was paid out to you to file for your taxes. They currently do not have anything like that set up, but that is in the works and should be set up before the end of the year. If the US did ban stablecoins for some reason, your funds are still protected. Now just one more time, remember, this is not a bank, so you do not have FDIC insurance. So if that's something you're not comfortable with, this might not be right for you. They do offer insurance through Nexus Mutual up to $50,000. And if you wanted to deposit more than $50,000, you can contact Nexus Mutual for additional insurance. And Outlet does not actually hold your funds when you deposit them. They are held by a custodial service called Fireblocks Security, which is a well-known company in the digital asset space. I will link both Nexus Mutual and Fireblocks in the description below so you can read up on them. Oh, and here's a couple sneak peeks. After talking to their team, a couple things coming down the pipeline. Soon they will be offering a checking account, credit cards, as well as direct deposits. So you will be able to link a portion of your paychecks to go directly to Outlet if that's something you choose to do. And like I said, for a full description of what Outlet is, check out my other video in the description below. So that's my follow-up on Outlet Finance. What'd you think? Is this safe? Does this work for you? Is this too good to be true? As I've dug through this company for about 7 months now, I don't see a hole in how this isn't going to work. But that is up for you to decide. And if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification so that you get notified when I make videos in the future. And if you're going to take advantage of this Outlet Finance savings account, then go ahead and give yourself a raise. I'll see you next time.